What if the reason you keep losing respect is not because you're failing, but because you're trying too hard to look successful? She wanted people to notice her. She wanted them to envy her. But one painful day taught her a lesson she will never forget. Real success doesn't shout, it whispers. Once upon a time, in a busy American town where social media mattered more than manners, there lived a teenage girl named Ava. She was 17, pretty, confident, and hungry to prove she was better than the life she came from. Ava's family wasn't rich. Her mother worked long hours, and their apartment was small, but Ava hated looking ordinary. She borrowed clothes, posted edited photos, and acted like she was already living a luxury life. At school, she spoke loudly, laughed louder, and made sure everyone noticed her. If she got a small win, good grades, a new phone case, even a compliment, she showed it off like a trophy. Deep inside, she wasn't arrogant because she was strong. She was arrogant because she was insecure, and the more she showed off, the more she ignored the quiet truth. Real respect isn't earned by attention. It's earned by character. Ava's biggest weakness was her attitude. She loved being seen, but she didn't love being kind. She often mocked quiet students, calling them boring. She bragged about things she didn't even own. She posted captions like, "I don't chase, I attract," even though she was chasing approval every day. Slowly, people around her began to change. Some classmates smiled at her face but rolled their eyes behind her back. Teachers noticed she talked more than she listened. Even her closest friend, Mia, started stepping away because Ava always turned every conversation into a competition. Ava didn't notice the loneliness growing because she mistook followers for friends and compliments for love. She believed showing off was confidence, but confidence doesn't need an audience. One day, Ava finally got what she wanted, a moment to shine. The school announced a big student competition, an opportunity to earn a scholarship and be recognized publicly. Ava worked hard for once and made it to the final presentation. She couldn't stop talking about it. She posted stories like she had already won. She even teased others, saying, "Don't be jealous, just be better." But on the day of the presentation, something happened that shattered her pride. During a Q&A, a judge asked about her teamwork, her mindset, and her contributions outside herself. Ava tried to sound impressive, but her answers were empty because she had focused more on looking successful than becoming valuable. Then the judge said politely, "Your talent is real, but your attitude is heavier than your achievements." The room went quiet. Ava's face burned. Later, she didn't win. A quiet girl who never bragged, who helped others and stayed humble, won instead. Ava walked out feeling like the whole world had seen her and disliked what they saw. If this emotional story is helping you learn English through powerful life lessons, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, interesting, and life-changing motivational stories. That night, Ava sat in her room staring at her phone. The same screen that once made her feel powerful now felt like a mirror showing her worst self. She scrolled through her posts and realized something painful. She was always trying to prove she mattered, but the more she tried, the smaller she became. When she entered the kitchen, she saw her mother sitting at the table with tired eyes and rough hands from work. Ava's mother didn't complain. She didn't show off. She just carried life silently. Ava suddenly felt ashamed. "Mom, do you think I'm a bad person?" she asked quietly. Her mother looked at her gently and said, "You're not bad, Ava, but you're loud because you're hurting. The strongest people don't show off. They show up." Those words hit Ava harder than the judge's comment. That was the moment she realized. Her attitude wasn't confidence. It was a shield. Ava didn't change overnight. At first, staying quiet felt uncomfortable, like she was disappearing, but she forced herself to listen more than she spoke. She stopped posting every achievement. She started helping classmates without telling anyone. She apologized to Mia and asked for nothing in return. Ava began waking up earlier, studying with discipline, and focusing on skills instead of attention. She joined a volunteer program after school, not for a certificate, but to learn humility. The more she worked quietly, the more she noticed something strange. Peace, no pressure to impress, no fear of being judged. Her grades improved, her mindset matured, and teachers began trusting her again. People didn't suddenly love her because she looked successful. They respected her because she became real. Months later, another scholarship opportunity came, this time focused on leadership and service. Ava applied quietly. No posts, no bragging, no loud confidence. She showed her work, her growth, and her change. When she was called on stage as the winner, she stood there shocked, not because she wanted applause, but because she finally understood what success truly means. After the ceremony, she saw the same girl who beat her last time. Ava smiled and thanked her. "You taught me something without even speaking," she said softly. That night, Ava looked at herself in the mirror and didn't feel the need to pretend anymore. She had learned the art of quiet success. Let your results talk. Let your attitude stay humble. And from that day on, Ava didn't show off. She built a life worth respecting. Moral of the story. Showing off may get attention, but humility earns respect. Quiet work creates loud results. If this story moved you, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, motivational stories that help you learn English and grow stronger every day.